So, step 1, go to Python, click on save. Once it's ready, open this, click this here, install now. Once the download is ready, you can close this window. Next step is go to Visual Studio Code, click on download, Windows. Once this is open, click on save, wait for it to finish, open this, scroll all the way down, click on I accept, then next, next, next. You don't have to check anything here, click on next, install. Once this is ready, you can click on finish, you don't have to open this. Next step is go to CMD and paste this thing here. Click enter. And now to update this pip, you copy this here and paste it, then click enter. And you have successfully installed the pip. Next step, you can close everything down. Next step is go to Pygame, copy this here, open CMD once again, paste this, and you have successfully downloaded Pygame. Okay, so this is actually the next day, but let's continue. The next step is to go to ChatGPT, and here you can start telling it the animations that you have in mind. So for example, so you describe what you have in mind for an animation, and then ChatGPT will give you all the necessary code. Once it's ready, you click on copy code, you open Visual Studio Code. It might be like this for you. Just right click, new text file, paste everything. Before you run it, you click up here, you have to save it. So let's go and save it in the tutorial. You have to name it however you like. If it's not saved as Python file, you have by yourself to click .py, so it's saved as Python. And now let's see if the program works. Here you have the terminal, which shows you what errors you have. So it says bounce, I have to replace. Okay, so here's where FL Studio comes in place. You open FL Studio, and now you come up here to the left until you find grand piano, or where is it? Electric. Those two have the best sounding effects. Let's see. Not this one. Electric. You close this window, click up here again. Let's see. Okay, this sounds okay. For example, I want this sound to be played every time the ball bounces. So it sounds okay. You go up here to File, Export, Wave File, and to make sure that the, where is it? Tutorial. The project that we have here is in the same folder as the sound. So you name it sound 1, save, start. Now you're ready. Now all you have to do is come here, click on tutorial, copy the path of the sound, go back to Visual Studio Code and replace this here. Let's add this over here. Let's see if it works. So we have another error. Once you have an error that you don't know how to fix, you can copy this here, Control C, go back to ChatGPT and say, so let's see which one is going to work. Let's copy this one. You do this here. Let's see. It works perfectly. Now let's make some changes to make it more fun. So now the ball should bounce more realistically and the square should be a bit bigger. Copy code, paste everything back. Again the sound. So you go back, you take, I think it was this one, we paste it here, play, let's see. Perfect. And now everything that you have to do now is just to play with ChatGPT and explain what you want exactly. It's up to you to make animations with maybe bouncing balls, circles, I don't know, it's up to you. That's just one very simple animation just to show how everything works.